Hello, what's good traders? Happy weekend to you all. This is your prime here. So this is my good analysis from now till next week. You understand? I use the weekly and daily time frame to identify my trend bias. You understand? So we can see we are still bullish on gold on the weekly time frame, and on the daily time frame we are still bullish on gold. So now I trade SMC with 100% patience and comfort. You understand? Using my fractal confirmations entries, this require a 100% patience to take trades. So I've not taken any trade since this week. Now on the daily time frame, we can see gold is still reacting up this strong resistance level. I don't trade support and resistance. You understand? So ever since backtesting and trading, whenever I see spot like this on the higher time frame, so price do likely break out and take out everything here. You understand? Because there's a lot of liquidity resting here. So now, what can we see on the daily time frame? We have this break of structure here. We have this break of structure here. This is it. We have this break of structure here. So now, and this is our order block. On the bullish trend, I do use the last bearish candlestick, as my order block. Then while on the downtrend, I do use this the last bullish candlestick. You understand? So far, what price has done, price is reacting off this FVG zone. This FVG zone. You understand? So if you have been trading gold a lot, you know gold respect FVG zone. So now I would say this is a liquidity zone also as well. You understand? So as price has taken out this liquidity zone, what can we see inside this range? Now we are analyzing everything under inside this range. Sorry. So our all-time high. This is our all-time high here. This is our all-time high. So everything in this range. Now let's analyze together. So for me, after price has taken out this liquidity, let me take this off. After price has taken out this liquidity, then we have a daily order block here, which price reacted off from. You understand? And also we have a higher change of character. There's a market structure shift as well. MSS slash change of character. So for those watching this video who don't know the meaning of MSS, it's also a change of character. You understand? So let me make it bold. You understand? So now we have another break of structure here. This is the inner structure which I am reading, guys. We have another break of structure here. Then price reacts off this origin, this other block. You understand? You can see the daily order block here. So now we have another break of structure inside this range. Where is the origin? You can see price is reacting off the daily origin already. This is the daily origin. Price is reacting off this daily origin already. But I don't take trade on the daily time frame. You understand? So sometimes if price is reacting off this daily origin, then I will just go down to the 15 minutes time frame. You understand? All I want to see, I won't just start buying. You understand? All I want to see, I want to see a clear market structure shift for me. You understand? A clear change of character. Like this, then like this, then boom. You understand? So this is it. This will be my last break of structure to the downside, and as well here indicates the market structure shift or change of character. Then wait for price to tap in, come back to my order block. You understand? My order block around here for price to tap in, then boom, I will buy, take my first TP here at the point of reversal. You understand? I will not just be greedy to say I'm buying to the all-time high, and this is what I am expecting now till next week. You understand? So all we'll be doing next week is more of buys. So as soon as price take out this point, then I'll spot out the next order block of valid spots where I know price will react from, and wait again for another position to buy, take out another position again, then till we are out of the market. You understand? So all I'll be doing, I will be buying to this zone here, not the all-time high. This zone, this point of reversal here. You understand? This is the valid point of reversal to wait for it. Yeah, you trade and take your TP here. You understand? So I'm not a swing trader rather, so I won't just be taking any position till this point. You understand? All I will want to say, I'm a day trader. We want to take more positions, more opportunity next week. You understand? So this is what I'm looking out for now, from now till next week. You understand? Or for now till next week rather. Don't mind my English, guys. So this is what I want to see on the lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes. I want to see more confirmations like this. You know, till we buy till this point is taken out. Then you will watch what the next price move. Price can get to this point, retest it as well, retest it here, then break again to the all-time high and create new all-time high for us. You understand? But I'm not a swing trader, so I don't just hold trade for weeks or days. I have an example here, like the trade I also took last week. You can see them here. It was a swing trade rather. So my trade started off from here, which was 1:6. I think this point, or this point rather, which was a 1:6. Let's say the same thing as here, till this high. You can see, guys, in this eye 1:6, you can see it in full TP, which plays out throughout last week. You understand? You can see this is the 4 hours demand zone after price tapped in. Then I waited for a change of character. Price gave me a snapper entry, yeah, from this point. This structure is a bit rough, so I don't wipe out my trade like that. You understand? So to recap and backtest every structure, you can see how I take 1, 2, 3 positions, including these swing positions, which indicates a 4 trades. You understand? So all I do is wait for a valid point for price to tap in, then boom, TP at point of reversal. Wait for another valid point, TP at point of reversal. So this is it here. This is what I am expecting as well. So this is the daily time frame demand zone. We have not getting any clear change of character here. So now we are on the, let me go down to the 4 hours. If I should tell you now where would be my 4 hours demand zone, it's this point. A lot of people will say, okay, price has tapped in here. You understand? I don't just leave it like this or say price is reacting up the daily time frame demand zone, so let me just buy or anything. You can see that price is still reacting up the daily time frame demand zone, but I do take my trades on the lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes for my confirmation. So what I will do now, since this is the daily demand zone, if I should refine down to the 4 hours time frame, you see this week price are tapping. So now I'll go down to the 1 hour time frame to get a clearer structure. The whole of this point is my daily demand zone, guys. Don't forget. Now on the 1 hour time frame, I want to see structures like confluences that will validate this my setup. To validate this my setup. Now this is the 1 hour order demand zone for me. This is how I do refinement. I don't refine down to the 15 minutes time frame. This is how I do my refinement. You understand? I'm not an aggressive trader. I do more of confirmations. It's more better I miss the trade than lose money to the market. You understand? I'm not saying I don't take losses. Yes, I do take losses, but in a less way. You understand? It's either break even or TP, or price just goes straight to SL. You understand? So, like I said before, I do use the last bearish candlestick on the bullish trend, like the last bearish candlestick as my order block. Then, why on the bearish trend, I do use the last bullish candlestick. So, for now, we can see we have FVGS, and from this point, I can draw this point. A lot of liquidity is sitting here, bro. You understand? This is my liquidity spot. A lot of people use the S sign or the dollar sign. You can see. So, this indicates liquidity, and we also have FVG here. You understand? So if you can also refine down to this point and say this is your 1 hour supply zone. But for me, I like using more than one candlestick, so I will just use the two bearish candlestick here. So we have imbalance, liquidity. Everything you are seeing here is a liquidity too. Price is going to sweep down everything here. Price is going to take out everything here. You understand? Because this is a shopping movement. This is a shopping movement. This is a shopping movement, so which indicates liquidity as well. So I do use more other conferences to validate my structures. But for now, this is what I'm having, guys. So I will just tell you this is the higher time frame demand zone, or based on we are in the 1 hour time frame demand zone, I will say 1 hour demand zone. So bracket DZ, this is the demand zone. So I can use DZ or XZ means supply zone as well. You understand? So this is it. All I want to see is price should tap in this zone. Now price should tap in this zone. Tap in this zone here, give me a valid change of character, then wait for price to tap in my order block, then boom, my TP would be at this point of reversal. You understand? Or any valid point above. You understand? Then I will wait for price to tap in again on my next POI on the 15 minutes time frame or the lower time frame. You understand? Then again buy up. So this setup validates my trading setup for next week. So for next week, I can just be buying gold. You understand? I can just be buying gold for next week, guys. And I will also post the result and setup here. So this is what I want to see next week. More of buys till we get to this point. You understand? Then after we get to this point, all we need to see is to watch price action. Price may likely retest after taking out this high, retest this zone again and take out this all-time high to give us a new all-time high. You understand? So this is what I want to see from now, or for now till next week, guys. So for next week, I'll be doing more of buys. You understand? I'll be doing more of buys on gold. I'll be doing more of buys on gold. You understand, guys? Oh, sorry. Just take out this out. I'll be doing more buys on gold. So, guys, to know as soon as price gets here, I will set my alert. Yeah. So I'm off the market. All I want to see is as soon as price gets here, then go down to the lower time frame to monitor my trade. Wait for my valid change of character. Don't forget, guys. Wait for your valid change of character. Then boom. You understand? There are some structures you see to know if price will react off your order block or not. You understand? Or you are going to take your trade from your FVG zone. So to know more about that, first of all, I would say like this video, share, and follow my page. And as well, if we can get this account to a certain point where we can go live, then I will be dropping more educative videos where we can also go live together to make live analysis. So if you find this trading setup valid for you, then I would like you to comment on the next pair you want me to analyze. So then we can trade together next week. You understand? But for now, this is what I'm looking at for. A tap into zone, give me a change of character on the 15 minutes time frame or lower 5 minutes time frame. Then more of buy staying. This eye is taking out. You understand? Peace and love, guys. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my TikTok page and my Instagram handle where we can, I will be dropping more educative videos there for us to trade together as well and make profit. You understand? So there are also other things to validate this structure I am showing you guys. So to get more of it, then I think you guys should just like my page, follow, subscribe, then I will be more encouraged to drop more videos like this. Peace and love, guys. Don't forget, wait for a change of character on the lower time frame. You can get your change of character on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. You understand? Then take your buy. So we'll be doing more of buy next week. You can check my previous video where I dropped same analysis. You understand? Peace and love, guys.